Hey homeowners! Welcome to another episode of MF Home TV Product Spotlight. This episode will feature our Kohen folding bed. Folding beds are our best friend on all occasions. We all know this. Birthdays, outings, sleepovers, even emergencies. Whoever invented folding beds, you're a genius. So let us unfold the magic of our Kohen folding bed. Aside from the obvious fact that it's foldable, it also comes with a built-in mattress for extra comfort and wheels to make it easier to move around. It weighs 16.5 kilograms and has a weight capacity of 150 kilograms. It's made of 20 by 20 by 1.2 millimeter thick black metal tubes in powder coating finish with a 4 cm thick foam in the color blue, covered with polyester fabric with 38 millimeter diameter wheel casters. It comes in only one color, which is blue, and it is available for only 5,700 pesos. Plus, if you're a home card member, you get additional discounts. Foldable and affordable. And that is it for our Kohen folding bed with built-in mattress. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, follow our social media accounts. And if you like our content, please support our channel by subscribing. We upload product spotlights on Mondays and Wednesdays and tips for you on Fridays. Once again, don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next episode. This is Zia, inspiring your home. Zia! This week's prize.